Hey, what's up, everyone? If you're in your 20s and wondering how to go from zero to hero in building wealth, you've landed in the right place. Let me start by saying this. Your 20s are the golden years to set the foundation for financial freedom. Why? Because time is on your side. Compound interest, career growth, and smart decisions made now can snowball into massive gains later. So buckle up, grab a notebook, and let's dive into some actionable steps to get you started on your wealth-building journey. First up, let's talk about mindset. Building wealth isn't just about numbers. It starts with how you think. You've got to ditch the YOLO mentality when it comes to money. Yeah, I get it. We all want to live our best lives, but true freedom comes from having options, and that requires financial discipline. Start by setting clear goals. Do you want to buy a house? Travel the world? Retire early? Write it down. When you have a vision, it's easier to stay motivated and say no to things that don't align with your long-term plan. Remember, every dollar you spend today is a dollar that could grow for you tomorrow. Now, let's get practical. The first step to building wealth is mastering the basics, budgeting and saving. Create a budget that works for you, one that balances living your life and saving for the future. A popular rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or investments. Speaking of savings, build an emergency fund first, 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is your safety net, so you're not derailed by unexpected costs. Once that's in place, it's time to invest. And no, investing isn't just for rich people. Thanks to apps and platforms, you can start with as little as $5. Look into index funds, ETFs, or even fractional shares to get your feet wet. But wait, we're not stopping there. Your income is the fuel for your wealth-building engine, so let's talk about leveling up your earning potential. In your 20s, your career is your biggest asset. Invest in yourself, take courses, learn high-demand skills, and network like crazy. Side hustles are another game changer. Whether it's freelancing, selling products, or creating content, multiple income streams can fast-track your financial goals. And here's a pro tip. Don't fall victim to lifestyle inflation. Just because you're making more doesn't mean you need to spend more. Keep your expenses low and channel that extra cash into your investments. Finally, let's zoom out and talk about consistency. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about making small, smart decisions every single day. Automate your savings and investments so you don't even have to think about it. Track your progress regularly, celebrate your wins, and adjust your strategy as needed. And don't forget to enjoy the journey. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about creating a life you love. So start today, stay disciplined, and trust the process. You've got this.